I'm doing problem number 1 on concept 3, forces and Newton's laws. So the question is, list Newton's 3 laws of motion and give an example of a situation in which each would be applied. So the first law is objects at rest or in motion will stay in that state unless acted upon by an outside force. An example of this would be a bowling ball. A bowling ball that's just sitting on the ground. It won't start moving until an outside force pushes it forward. So a bowling ball sitting still gets pushed, and the outside force acted upon it, so it didn't stay at rest. So the second law is acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. Acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. The greater the mass, the greater force needed to accelerate the object. So an example of this would be a 10-pound ball takes more force to move than a 1-pound ball. So it takes more force to accelerate it, which is Newton's second law. And then the final law is, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So an example of this would be if you push a wall, if you try to push on a wall, the wall will like push you backwards. So if you push on a wall, the wall will be pushing backwards just as much as you pushed on it. The wall will push back at equal amounts. And those are Newton's 3 laws.